Jazzy. Maven.
Yeah, it's a brand new bounce, my people. This a new dimension. No, they do yourself. You better tune into this station. When the boss stay and you got to pay all your attention. Tell everybody say your boo is back from her vacation. If you won't retire, make you come collect your pension. Cause I did come with fire, you know I don't need to mention. Anything where them do, they know if it make me change formation. No more see standing ovation. My oh my oh my. Please tell me why oh why. They say they want more, they can't get enough. They wanna go crazy like before. Chijo,
Oh,
Jazzy.
I'm so freaking out of breath, man. Hello and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe before you head out. Give this video a thumbs up. And I know there's people watching it, I think, somewhere out there. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but if you are watching, say something, say hi, say whatever would you like to say. Love to have you. Oh my gosh, I gotta finish packing up all these boxes here, close them all up, seal them, label things, get them ready for the movers who are coming on Monday. Today is Saturday, and so I'm cleaning this place, then I'm gonna go to other place and clean up a little bit. I don't even know why I'm over here jumping up and down, like this my knee isn't currently injured. That's why it never heals. I'm trying so hard to stay focused and like close everything, but it's kind of overwhelming. Like there's just boxes everywhere down here and it's just a lot. Can I not figure out how to keep this thing on my face? Where am I even looking at? Can you see me? So I gotta throw away some stuff, donate some stuff, clean this place, clean the other place, and then unpack when we get there. Wish me luck. Okay, bye.
no more see standing ovation. My oh my oh my. Tell me why oh why. They say they want more, they can't get enough. They wanna go crazy like before.
It'll be virtual reality in your mind.
Yeah. I remember when like LCDs first came out, plasmas, they were like $10,000, $12,000.
I know, no, they're like, plasmas are outdated. They don't even make
Oh
them.
yeah, junk. 55-inch plasma would cost like $8,000, $10,000. Now you get an LED for $400.
We did it.
Made it. Foden's tired.
He's so tired. He needed a lot of help. Didn't you, Bowden?
He's a good moving buddy.
Thank you for your services. We did it. We moved everything in. We put all those books over there. We put the TV over there. We put clothes over there. We put Matt over here.
Got a dog right here.
Got dog right there.
We live here now.
We live here now. We live here all the time. Very interesting. We're exhausted. I'm going to do an actual tour of the place later on, but yeah, we did it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and give the video a thumbs up and tell us how many times have you moved before or something. Okay, bye. Ting, 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 ting. If you'll notice, I don't know what that is. Baracha?
Prosecco.
Prosecco?
Oh, Baraska. Baraska's the brand, but it is Prosecco Rosé. It's
It's beautiful. You know who gave this to us?
It's gotta be bubbly.
Our landlord gave this to us as a gift because, oh, you might notice that we're somewhere different if you look around.
New place.
Ta-da! We moved to a new place. How do you feel about it?
Feels good. Top to bottom. Celebration.
Insert celebration song here.
When this cage comes out, this thing could explode open. I'll just go straight up the ceiling. Just for funsies. Hopefully it doesn't hurt anybody and break any windows.
Bowden, watch out.
Break.
Woo! Wow. Cheers.
Cheers. To our first place.
Ting, 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 ting.